Hey, welcome back to new video. So in this video, let's talk about font scaling in Flutter. Increase the font size on your phone. Now open Swiggy. Nothing changed. Now open the Flutter app. Did it break? Why does your app overflow but Swiggy stays perfect? That's what we are breaking today. When a user increases the font size in the system setting, the Android increases something called text scale factor. Flutter reads the value and multiply it all your text with it. So, if your font size is 16 and the system scale is 1.3, the new font size becomes 20.8. But your layout was designed for 16, not for 20.8 font size. That's when you see overflow, broken alignment, and ugly UI. Flutter didn't fail. Your layout could not handle the scaling. Now back to Swiggy. Why doesn't the font increase? Because they have overridden the scaling. They force the app to ignore the system fonts changes. They wrap their app with the media query and they set the text scale factor to 1. That means no matter what system font is, 16 stays 16. No multiplication, no overflowing, it is like full control. Then how can we do the same thing? If your layout is not flexible yet and scaling is breaking your UI, you can do this. Wrap your app with the media query and set the scale factor to 1. This locks the font size. Your UI will remain stable. But very important question. Should we always do this? If your app needs the accessibility support, like for the elderly users or the user with the vision issues, disabling the scaling may not be a right decision. Instead of the overriding, build a flexible layout, avoid fixed heights, wrap the text, let the container expand. So that's where you build a flexible layout where you can support for accessibility and also your app looks just fine. Swiggy did not magically solve it. They choose to control their scaling. You can do the same or you can design your layout strong enough to handle scaling properly. If you want, I can make a dedicated video on how to build flexible layout in Flutter that handles the font size scaling properly and support the accessibility. Let me know in the comments.